All right, this is going to be Glass Onion by the Beatles by request. So we got. Okay, so our first chords are A minor bar chord. We got 5, 7, 7, 5, 5, 5. We got like a 1, 2, 3, 4, that kind of a thing. So that's the 13th fret, that's a F7 chord. So it's 13, 15, 13, 14, 13, 13. So you're borrowing all those 13s. And we're gonna go like bum bum jank jank. So and it does that again. A minor, G minor 7, which is 3, 5, and all threes down here. You could do a C7 here, it comes after the G minor 7. That's 3 on the 5th string, 5, 3, 5, 3. Or you could do this open C7, 3 with the ring finger on the 5th string, 2, 3, 1, open. So we got. G minor 7, C7. Okay, so we have an F7 here. This is 8 with the ring finger, then 7, then 8, then 6. And that's going to be on an upbeat. Now, you could be doing an F7 up here if you want. You could listen to the record and see which one you like, but it's cool to kind of try them in both areas. So we're going to go from an F7 down to a D7, 5, 4, 5, 3. So let's see how that all plays out. So we got. G minor 7, C7, G minor 7, back to C7, upbeat on the F7, upbeat on the D7, back and forth a couple times. G major there at the end. So F7, D7, F7, D7, F7, and then stop on the G, and you're back to another verse. So let's do that whole upbeats thing again. Right after the 4, on the up of the 4, before the new 1, that's what we're gonna hit on the upstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, ch, ch. New verse. And listen to these verses because the second one kind of flips around where it hits. These guys are real slick with their rhythm. Like they didn't repeat themselves a whole lot. They would make it like the second time, just pop it in a different spot, and they would make sure they really sold that too. So check those out. There's some cool variations on the way they hit the second verse. So here we go, 3, 4. G minor 7, C7, same. You got those upbeats on the F. There's D. G. You could hit that G up there on the 15th fret too, just like that F7 was. Get that high one. And then we got the bridge, A minor. Okay, so that whole bridge was A minor twice. And instead of bum bum jank, dun dun jank, has that kind of quicker upbeat. Jank, dun, jank. Oh yeah. And this one could also have, I've seen in the tab, like a bass on that. So A string bass with that F chord, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or you could do just kind of an F. So we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. D7, whichever one you want. It could either be that one or that one down here. And then you got an A minor 7, kind of building 5s, 5, 7, and 5s. 1, 2, 4. So you got 2 bars of that build up. So we got F7, G, boom, boom. G minor 7, C7, same. We got that upbeat on that F7 again, so we got 8, 7, 8, 6. 2, 3. So on the up of the 4, after the 4, 2, 3, 4. D7, same upstroke. Hit a G. Okay, then we have this diminished chord. This is an interesting chord. So we got 4 here on the 4th fret of the D string. That was with our first finger. Then our ring finger is going to get the 5 on the G string. Then our second finger is going to get the 4 on the B string, and our pinky is going to get the 5 on the bottom. So from the D string down, it goes 4, 5, 4, 5. And that's called an F sharp diminished, or a C diminished, or a E flat or D sharp diminished, or an A diminished. Every one of these notes in a diminished is equal. And this is an interesting chord because you can take it up 3 frets, and it's the exact same chord. It just has a different inversion, a different spin on it as far as which notes are highest and lowest. But any one of those notes could be the name of that chord. So A's down here, that could be an A diminished, because all the other notes are going to be the same if you moved into a different place. So if I go up for 3 frets, here's an A. So A is in there. We go up 3 frets, here's an A. So interesting chord. So at the end of this tune, we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of fades out doing that. Okay, so Glass Onion, boom, boom. Beat on the F, F7, D7, back and forth. G. And then that bridge was A minor twice. F with an A bass. D7. Building on the A minor 7. And then F7. G. So that's pretty much all the parts. Got that little diminished. All right, Glass Onion by the Beatles by request. Thanks again for that request. I love that tune. Good times. Thanks for watching Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. Let me know if you got any requests in the comments, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.